These are not the usual cookies. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making quince paste, a winter recipe for many Mediterranean countries. Called Cotognata in Italy, Pâte de Coing in French, and Membrillo in Spain. Quinces are special apples full of pectin. Their jam is very firm and can be cut into solid squares. It is a great edible gift and a gluten-free alternative to Christmas cookies. The ingredients you need are only 3. We will get to the measurements later in the video. Clean and cut the quince into quarters. Fill a large pan with water and add some lemon juice. Place the quince into the pan and let them boil for 30 minutes. Drain them from their water and while still hot, pass them through a vegetable strainer. If you use a KitchenAid strainer, the task is so much easier as it will automatically remove the seeds and the skin. If you're using a manual strainer, you have to remove the seeds and the skin before straining them. Check the weight of the mashed quince. For each 2 pound to 2 kilos of cooked quince, you need to weigh 28 ounces or 800 grams of sugar. The proportions are in weight, so you need a kitchen scale. You cannot use cups since they measure the volume. Place the mashed quince and the sugar back into a pan. Bring it to a boil while stirring. Simmer for 40 minutes, continuously stirring. Be very careful as the quince will tend to stick to the pot. You will slowly see the paste changing its colour into a deep orange pink and will detach from the walls of the pot. The quince paste is ready. Cover a rectangular mould with aluminium foil or parchment paper. Pour the quince paste immediately before it cools down. Shape it flat with a wet knife or a spatula. Cover with a cheesecloth and let it rest for 48 hours. The quince paste will be very sticky, so do not put the cheesecloth directly over it. The paste needs to dry out, so to place something on top that will let the air circulate. After 2 days, the quince paste is ready to eat. Remove the quince paste from the mould. Cut into slices. Cut each slice into a square or rectangular bite. You can coat them with sugar or serve them as they are. The sugar will prevent them from sticking to each other. Store them in an airtight container or a jar or make gift bags. For more edible gift ideas, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. All I want for Christmas is quince.